tutorial on how to apply PolyGel nail extension. Now I have everything that I need in this section right here. This is the other hand and how it came out. I did one hand off camera. If you wanted to see like a quick tutorial that I posted on my Instagram, it's called Le Beauty Fashion on Instagram, on Facebook, Le Beauty Makeup, and you can follow me on TikTok. It's PCILLZ Sills. All right, let's move forward. Everything that I'm gonna need, I'm gonna show you step by step. So first thing I'm using two different brands. The actual polygel that I'm going to be using is by the company named Vrenmol. And the reason why I use them is because they have glitter polygel. Now there are a whole bunch of different kinds of brands, but I chose this one specifically and it worked really good for me. So I'm sticking to this one for now. And I wanted to share this with you. So the things that you'll be needing is the actual polygel. Pick out the sizes of your nails, the slip solution, and basically what this does is helps you move the product around as you're kind of flattening it and kind of evening it out on the actual nail template. You will need the base coat first, the top coat. I have some cuticle oil and I have some of the slip solution in my dapping dish with a little paper towel so that you can clean off your brush if need be. I'm gonna get this out the way, and I am going to start off with the pink mauve polygel. Now this one is like this one, so it'll be nice and pink like that one. I'm gonna move those back, so I'll be using this one here. And I'm going to leave out the top coat for now because we won't be needing that. I'm going to leave in the base coat and we are ready to start. So I have already measured which nail I wanted. I'm going to go with this one and I've already sized it. So basically a size smaller than this was just not covering everything how I wanted it to. Again, if it sticks out a little bit more, you can always file it and make it to where it's not, sticking out. So I sized it. I know that that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to move these to the side so I won't get confused. I'm going to use my Kiss set. It's a manicure set. It's a base coat. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, it's nice and prepped. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the pink mauve gel. And I'm going to just squirt a significant amount into the nail, like so. I'm going to use the brush. This is what it looks like. I'm going to dip it into the slip solution. And again, what this does is makes it easy to move the product. this is what it looks like. Now we are ready to place it. I have already prepped and applied the base coat. Now I'm going to put the nail on. Okay, and as I said, as you press down, some material will squirt out. You don't want to press down just too hard. And I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds, and I'm going to gently hold down the nail as it's curing. As that is happening, I'm going to go back in with the solution and just kind of sweep away some of this material away from under the nail, and then go back in and finish curing it for the 60 seconds. Okay, so now I have cured for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to, all I really do is just bend the ends and just kind of wiggle until it comes off. Boom, there you go. Now you don't have to worry about any of that because you're going to file it and make it look cute. Now I'm going to move on while this is setting, and I'm going to continue to finish my nail. All right, guys, sorry I have to mic in. If you follow me on my social media platforms, you would know that I reposted a video by Kim Kardashian of her attempting to film a mini tutorial, and her daughter kept coming in and just kind of asking questions and kind of interrupting the video with the only mommy time that she would have. And I want to say that's exactly what was going on in this clip. So I am going to mic in for the rest of the video. Thank you for watching. All right, and when you are done filing your nails and kind of cleaning the cuticle area, you want to make sure you wipe with an alcohol wipe just to kind of get all the residue off. Most kits come with alcohol prepped wipes. If not, you can use your regular alcohol at home. Mine was 75% and it works just as good. All right, and this is the finished look. I hope that you got some tips from this video. I want to say that this was my first try on these nails, and of course the more that you do it, the more experience you'll get. So don't get frustrated. There were times where I had to kind of just take a piece off and just start again. Just know that that is normal. You're not supposed to be a pro at it. Don't get frustrated, just keep on trying. For me, I've had experience in acrylic nails, so it was kind of easy for me. So I want to say that I will be posting a few other tutorials, and I'm sure that you guys will learn with me. I'm so excited to do this video, and I hope again that you guys enjoyed it. And oh, I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much. Just make sure you go share my video. Bye.